You know it's a really special day when you get stuck in your own driveway and you have to call a tow truck to get yourself out.
Wrath of Mother Nature.
Wrath of Mother Nature, man. God Almighty. God help you guys, because I wonder if that tow truck's stuck. I bet you he is.
Yeah, look at him. He can't back up and I don't know if he can go forward.
I bet you he's stuck. And there ain't shit I can do for him.
We just ram him. Ramming speed, Danny. Ramming speed.
Yeah, that's a great idea.
Yes, he is.
Yeah, he's stuck. He fucking got that guy out of his driveway and he got stuck himself. That is a really, that's
a piece of work.
That's special. Get a J-hook strapped up to it and I'll come around on the other side.
We're gonna pull him?
Yeah, we're gonna yank a fucking tow truck today.
All right. You know you got a badass truck when you can tow a tow truck.
The F150 pulls out a Dodge 5500. Cause yeah. Does it go through them? I mean, I can go through your yard there.
Yeah, you can. There's
Anything I should know about?
no, I'm sitting on the fucking rock.
Okay. All right.
In front of the lamppost, there are a couple of smaller rocks. So, actually, go through here, it's clear.
Okay.
And go up into my driveway, there's plenty of room to turn around, and then you can come out across the lawn.
That's what I'll do.
Yeah, I see it. Off-road adventure.
I'm gonna go straight through.
Yeah, you can do it there, it's fine. Thank you.
Man, this truck is a fucking beast.
Yeah, absolute animal.
Need a little more? Alright. Alright, we'll give it a shot. There we go. That was a good one. How's it coming? You moving at all? I don't know. There's too much snow on that. Let me keep yanking you. You know what? Let me put a different strap on here. It's under tension. Probably. Alright, I'm gonna give you a good yank.
Whew. I pulled him.
How you sitting? Alright. There we go. That was a good one. One more. Yeah, that's how we do it. Try. Give it a shot. No problem, man. Normally. Alright, no problem, man. You might be on Chicago Road Rescues, just so you know. So, yeah, YouTube.
Hey guys, thanks so much.
Hey, no problem, man.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, if you here, hang on a second. Hey, if you ever need anything, you get into a bind, let me know.
Do you have any idea how you can get me out of there? What we were going to do is get in front of my car and lift it up. My back wheels are on that rock.
I mean, I can give you the name of a towing company, but I don't want to tear your ass out. Like, I don't want to tear your undersides out. You know, I would, but I gotta get.
Got a rock underneath there.
Yeah, I'm gonna tear your undersides out. So, I can give you the name of the guy in Highland Park that I use, that I work with.
No, it's alright. What we're going to do is...
I'll let you guys get to it, but no problem. Take it easy, guys. You too, man.
That was fun. Yeah. Got to tow some dude.
We got to tow a tow truck, man. that's what we're talking about. All right, well. Good luck to you, buddy. Oh, that guy's screwed. That guy's just screwed. He's like, yeah.